Hey HubSpotters, today we're going to talk about HubSpot's new update on ad source rules for smart content on pages. So, in the editing screen of your page, choose the module you'd like to make smart. So, for example, I'm going to use this form. Then go over to the left side of the screen, under Smart Rules, click Add, and then select the category. So today we're going to use ad source. Okay, then we're going to click Add for a rule, and I'm going to click B2 linked. So what this means is that anyone that comes to this page from a B2 linked ad will see certain content that usually isn't there. I'm going to go down and hit save. Okay. Now as we see at the top, we're previewing as B2 linked, meaning we're previewing what someone coming from a B2 linked ad would see. And so I'm going to go ahead and click back on my form. I'm going to choose a new form on the left side and do new contact us form. Okay. And now to go back to my default page, I'm going to go back to the left side and click default. Okay, so this is the page that you'd normally see, but if you came from the ad that I chose, this is what you'd see instead. Thanks guys, that's all for today. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment if you have any questions. We'll see you on the next one.